Wanderer. I have something valuable here. Look!
What to do? What to do? So many fine porcelain pieces broken. Madame Han will kill me. Oh, no, no, no.
Wow.
Oh my, young master, this...
Things really got smashed to pieces here. Tell me what happened.
There are so many visitors for Drunken Immortal Month, and things were quiet here at the kiln, so I went for a duel with someone. When I returned, everything was like this. Door wide open, wine jars shattered, and several shelves broken.
Is anything missing?
Nothing! I counted everything! It couldn't be ghosts from the Ghost Temple, could it?
There are no such things as ghosts. Go find Ding Si for more jars from elsewhere. I'll investigate here.
Oh, splendid! Oh, and these drunken beans are for Ruby. Give them to her for me? I can't right now.
What a strong smell of wine. She always likes such strange things. I'll try my wind sense. These tracks. Looks like something went inside Porcelain Kiln. That big guy who asked for directions.
Help me.
I hear something inside. Better check it out. Are you the horse thief? Hey, you...
Go. Quick, take me.
Hang in there. There's a clinic nearby. What
Kill her.
death?
Better luck in your next life, Pop. Who taught you this move?
Huh?
On your feet. Come on, Pop. Take me to Blissful Retreat. Stop pretending. That wound won't kill you. That old battle axe Hong Xiangxun is hiding at Blissful Retreat, isn't she?
Han who? I don't know who that is.
I just want something from her.
I'm not going to kill anyone. Who are you trying to fool with that act? Pain in the... Ask around the Zhenghu. My word is always ironclad. If I say I'm not gonna kill someone, I won't.
You won't even give your name. And you want me to trust you?
Listen well. I am Killer Blade. Everyone knows I've never gone back on my word. Lead the way, or I'll kill my way through every single village. Chenghe is a big place. Someone's bound to talk.
Fine. I'll do it. But if you truly are honor-bound, swear to spare this man first.
Him?
You...
This riffraff is hardly worth my oath. Pup, I don't care whether you believe me or not. Right now, do you even have a choice? Move! Lead the way!
Why'd you have to kill him?
Huh? He came to kill me, but I can't kill him. A guy like him's a liability every moment longer he lives.
That man was already dying. Even without your blade, without treatment, he wouldn't live long. Why were you so ruthless?
Always trying to play the merciful Buddha, huh? Well, not me. What's with the attitude? I said I wouldn't kill you, and I'll keep my word. But when I want someone dead, no one stands in my way. Get a move on. Find Han Shang-Shun and your score will be settled.
What do you want with her?
What good would it do if you knew? Faster!
This man can't be trusted. I need to escape and get to Ghost Temple first. I can barely walk with this wound. Forcing me will only worsen my injuries.
What are you on about now? Whining that you can't walk, are you? Fine. If 2 legs fail, then we'll try 4. Why are you dawdling? You take a few hits and your legs give out?
With these injuries, this is as quick as I can move. If you're in such haste, why not go ahead yourself?
I told you, I don't know the way. With all these swordsmen pouring into Chenghe, it's risky to wander blindly.
Blissful Retreat is in a valley to the south. It's quite easy to find.
All these valleys around Chenghe make my head spin. You little brat, were you trying to fool me?
If you won't take my word for it, ask someone else.
Fine, I'll kill a few more folks while I'm at it. Just don't forget their blood's on you.
You really have no shame.
Since you're so good-hearted, why don't you just lead the way? Who's there sneaking around like that? Stay put, Pop. If you're gone when I get back, I'll have your head.
I guess now's the time to make a run for it. That was close. I should go back and tell Aunt Han about it. Look behind you!
What are you looking at? Never seen someone in an accident?
Master is here. Where are you hurt? Or did you come to upgrade your medicine chest?
she be at this hour?
Hey, quick! Over here! Aren't you looking for Madame Han? Come here!
Dodo, do you know where Aunt Han went?
Let me guess. You searched all of Heaven's Pier, and Madame Han is nowhere to be found, right? Like she just vanished into thin air? Yet somehow, she'll reappear quietly, and in some place where nobody could possibly hide.
Yes? What are you getting at?
Exactly! Madame Han must be a ghost. She took human form, used up her yang energy, and turned back. Just like my master. That's why they get along so well.
Oh, please. You've been saying this for years, making up stories about your master. Be careful he doesn't find out. I need to find Aunt Han now. We'll talk about this later.
Wait! This must have something to do with Madame Han. Think about it. My master's a physician, yet he disappears every few days. He says he's on the second floor, but won't let us in. And we don't hear a sound. You can't find him. And in the end, he appears behind you. As if he's been watching you for ages.
Listen, Dodo. Have you considered that he might just be playing tricks on you?
But she can't hide like that. People have to appear from somewhere. Anyway, my master can make people vanish, and so can she. They must have some secret hiding place we don't know about.
You know, that does kind of make sense. Where is Aunt Han gone?
Young Master, you're finally back! Madame Han and the Master questioned me this morning. I almost couldn't handle it. What about that medicine chest I gave you? Did you use it?
More than that. I dealt with a few bandits, too. All thanks to your box.
The medicine needs my medicine chest to work properly. Otherwise, how could it be fully effective?
Right. The anesthesia powder, the folk remedies, the extra boost from the medicine chest. It's got you written all over it.
Just say if it's useful or not. If you think my medicine chest works, then you gotta tell me about your Xianghu adventures. They'll inspire me to further improve the medicine chest's power.
Dodo just said Dr. Tian isn't in, which would mean the second floor of the clinic is...
Huh? Hey, but...
Don't worry. I'll remember about the medicine chest. I'll keep notes of all my adventures for you. Quick, give me the key to the second floor. I need to find Aunt Han now.
Fine. I've already unlocked it. Just go straight up. You and Toto are so...
Second floor of the clinic. This is a much better view. Four jobs this month. Profit 3,000 taels of gold? Wow, the Evercare clinic really rakes it in. It's a small knife with a sharp blade and various... It doesn't look like it's for harming people, but for carving things. Someone often comes here. Must be heading to... This well cover doesn't look naturally formed. So dark here. Without a torch, I can barely see anything. Attacking me!
It's that kid.
No.
Oh no! They're attacking me!
When the squares of the legs of a triangle are combined, they equal the square of the hypotenuse.
Oh no. So, there's another level below. I never imagined such a place inside the clinic. Let me try this melody. Doesn't work. It needs the weight of at least 2 people. Maybe the Song of Longing can draw them over. It's loosening. I'll check that door. It should open now. darkness. Heaven bleeds with desire. The martial arts of this world are truly magnificent. But why do I feel my inner chi surging? My head is spinning. Huh? Looks like I'm back at the clinic.
What's there to fear? For the sake of reclaiming the 16 prefectures, I don't fear death, let alone losing my face. I fear not death, much less a mere face.
Your face determines your fate. Another face, another fate. Don't go.
I don't fear death. So why should this trouble me?
I was once a heroic warrior of the 5 capitals. I served at...
Why me? And yet, why not me?
If we succeed, head north. If we fail, none of you will return anyway.
How much longer must we wait?
How much longer can we wait?
Can't go out. Can't go back.
Can't be discovered. Can't die in this wretched place.
Just going to stand there Get over here.
Aunt Han?
Have you awakened? Let me see how you are doing. Yes, your breathing has steadied. Martial arts training is no easy thing. You must be careful. Did you take the flute that was being played just now? We are merely unwelcome guests, but that flute was a gift from an old friend. Could you return it to me?
Here. I didn't take it on purpose. You all seemed pretty out of it, so I thought it had no owner.
With bodies in flames and hearts like ashes for over a decade, how can you expect them to keep their former heroic spirit? Before my comrade departed, he gifted me this flute. With a firm handshake, he promised we'd meet again. He has yet to return, but I'm not about to give up.
You all seem to know me. Is it because you know Aunt Han?
It is. Of course, the Water Lady hasn't told you. You should ask her yourself someday. Thank you for returning my flute. If ever you need a new face, perhaps I can help.